In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Windows cursor glitch in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue that many users experience, where the mouse cursor behaves erratically or feels sluggish. If you're tired of dealing with this annoyance, stick around as I'll walk you through a straightforward process to resolve it quickly. To kick things off, the simplest yet often most effective fix is to restart your computer. A reboot can resolve many temporary performance issues, including cursor glitches. So, before diving into any settings, give your computer a restart and see if that clears up the problem. If restarting didn't do the trick, let's move on to some adjustments in your settings. Begin by opening the Windows Settings menu. You can quickly access it by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. This shortcut is a handy way to get directly into the settings without navigating through several menus. Once you're in the settings window, navigate to the Bluetooth and devices section and then select mouse. This area allows you to control various mouse settings that might affect the cursor's performance. Next, click on the option titled Additional Mouse Settings. This action will bring up a new window with more detailed settings regarding your mouse and cursor behavior. In this window, locate the Pointer Options tab. This tab holds a few settings that could be contributing to your cursor issues. Now, within the Pointer Options tab, you'll find a checkbox labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. Unchecking this box can significantly improve the handling of your cursor, especially if it feels erratic or hard to control. Enhanced pointer precision is intended to help with movements, but it often causes more harm than good. While you're there, also look for a checkbox that says Display Pointer Trails. Make sure this is also unchecked, as displaying trails can sometimes interfere with the smooth operation of the pointer. Once you've made these changes, click Apply, and then OK. This will save your settings. Now, to double-check one last setting, head back to the Bluetooth and Devices section and select Mouse one more time. Here, you'll see an option to scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. This toggle can sometimes interfere with pointer responsiveness. Make sure it's turned off to prevent any unwanted behavior from your cursor. And there you have it. These adjustments should resolve those pesky cursor glitches. By following these steps, you've fine-tuned your settings to ensure smoother and more predictable mouse performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this solved your cursor issue. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.